Ever wondered why some people turn a plain spreadsheet into a video that explodes across the internet? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the exact steps that turn any boring piece of content into a share-worthy story. Stick around, because the first trick alone can double your views. You'll see how simple visuals, timing, and a dash of emotion make the difference. The first secret is to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Humans react to surprise, curiosity, and bold statements. By framing your topic with an unexpected fact or a provocative question, you create a mental hook that compels the brain to stay. This hook is the engine that drives the rest of your video. Next, turn your boring facts into a story arc. Start with a relatable problem, then introduce a twist, show the process, and finish with a clear resolution. This structure mirrors the way our brains naturally process information, making the content feel familiar and memorable. A simple story turns static data into an emotional journey for your audience. Contrast is a powerful visual cue. Show the before state of your topic, dull, unclear, or boring, then flip to the after, vibrant, clear, and exciting. By directly comparing the two, viewers instantly see the value you're delivering. It proves why the change matters and keeps viewers engaged. Social proof turns curiosity into action. People trust numbers, likes, and shares more than any claim you make. Display a quick count of likes, comments, or a growth chart to signal that others already enjoy the content. This simple badge of approval can boost credibility and encourage viewers to hit that share button and spread it further. Timing your post is as crucial as the content itself. Algorithms favor videos that receive early engagement, so schedule your release when your audience is most active, typically early evenings or weekends. Use a quick timer animation to illustrate the optimal window and watch the algorithm push your video higher. Consistent peaks signal relevance, boosting reach. Make the content a habit for viewers. By encouraging them to apply a simple tip daily, you create repeat engagement. Show a mini habit tracker with a checkmark each day they try the tip. This repeated action not only reinforces the message, but also fuels the platform's algorithm to recommend your video again. It turns a single view into a lasting routine. Finally, design a shareability matrix that compares your content's value against competitors. Highlight unique angles, unexpected insights, and emotional triggers in a side-by-side view. When viewers see the clear advantage, they're more likely to share it with friends, increasing organic reach without extra effort. A clear visual comparison convinces the brain that this is the best choice. Now you have the toolkit: hook, story, contrast, social proof, timing, habit loops, and shareable comparisons. Apply them and watch boring content explode into viral hits. If you found this useful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick growth hacks. Each step builds momentum, turning ordinary posts into unforgettable moments that audiences love to replay.